Engineering begins with trust. SCE-SEA Consultancy. Engineering today, shaping tomorrow. Every project begins with careful supplier qualification, followed by quality control, technical supervision, and continuous support throughout the manufacturing process. From industrial hubs to manufacturing facilities, SCE-SEA Consultancy supports every stage of industrial execution across Vietnam and Cambodia. From supplier qualification to project supervision, every step is managed with precision, transparency, and commitment. Across Vietnam and Cambodia, industrial growth creates new opportunities. SCE-SEA Consultancy connects international companies with reliable manufacturing partners, engineering expertise, and on-site execution. Every project begins with careful supplier qualification, followed by quality control, technical supervision, and continuous support throughout the manufacturing process. Our team supports procurement, quality assurance, inspections, and execution on the ground, because successful engineering is not measured by drawings, but by execution. Building long-term industrial partnerships, creating value through engineering,